For joining in. We're counting down, closing what's been a very tough session for our markets. 1.5% gone on the Nifty. The Nifty ending at the day's low, below 18,850, taking its 6-day cut to more than 1,000 points. Midcaps ending in the red, but recovered, closed more than 1% from the day's low. And look at the small cap index. Finally, it's ending with a cut of just about 0.3%.
Yeah. You know, the divergence got more and more stark in the last 1 hour. The Nifty is at the lowest point of the session. There's been absolutely no sight of recovery on the Nifty, but the small caps is where once again the flying around has started. Anyway, let me look at some of the Nifty stocks. M&M had a very weak session, 4% down on that one. Bajaj Finance lost close to 4% as well. Asian Paints, market not happy with the numbers at all, 3.5% over there. Nestle was the other one, Titan and Nestle, both from the consumer space. And not a great day for banks either. The Bank Nifty is down about 1.3%. Kotak Mahindra Bank would be one of the weak names over here. Even if I look at ICICI, down about 0.5%. HDFC Bank losing a little over 2%. And IndusInd ending flat. So relatively better off for IndusInd. But otherwise, even SBI is down 1.5%. Reliance itself approaching numbers quite weak, 1.5% on the lower side. So that's the Nifty tally. And I think Axis Bank was the only outlier, which actually managed to put on about 2% by the time we closed out. But what a divergence, Prashant, on this.
You know, I keep saying it's the strongest, the small cap index is the strongest index in the world. And it is.
I mean, the way it bounced back today, the way these stocks are flying.
Yeah, no, I'm only half joking when I say it, because the other half is I'm absolutely serious, dead serious, because it's just been an incredible move. Although I'd like to point out that, so I think the index on your screen is the Nifty small cap, which is made of small cap and cap, both made of 100 stocks. So there is a very clear double top on the small cap index. So we'll see if, this is a short-lived damage like what we saw after the 12th of September when the market, when the index sold off. I mean, actually the double top, the first top is the 12th of September. The second one is, of course, what we made earlier on the 18th. 18th of October, that is. So I think, but it's again lost the least amongst the four indices. So there is strength, there is buying interest coming through at lower levels. And we highlighted a lot of names where that interest really shone through today. Well, we'll step into a quick break here. On the other side, our special offering, IPO KYC, comes up next.